welcome back to my channel. It's so good to have you, and thank you for joining me once again. So today I'm gonna be making a whipped cream using the shea butter. I've never done this before, but I've actually watched a couple of YouTube videos, so I'm ready to give this a try. So I'm using about I think about 50 grams of the shea butter. So I'm actually cutting them into pieces so that the butter can easily melt. So because I'm using the double boiler method where I have hot water in that small bowl. So here I'm using cocoa butter as well. This is 100 grams of the cocoa butter. Cocoa butter is actually very good for the hair. It's one of the butters you should consider adding to your hair. The next thing I'm using is the mango butter, 100 grams of the mango butter. I really love this mango butter because it is very soft. The way I like it because it is very soft, and I can't wait to see how the whole of this will really work on my hair. So do not forget to subscribe if you haven't, and like this video, and also share it. Leave a comment in the comment section, okay? So I'm actually mixing the oil so that I just think it will easily melt into each other. So after mixing it, I'm going to go in with my oils. So I have the Jamaican black castor oil, the extra dark. So I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of that oil. The next oil I'm adding is the amla oil, 1 tablespoon of the amla oil as well. And I'm adding the black seed oil, 1 tablespoon of the black seed oil. I'm adding here the neem oil, 1 tablespoon of neem oil. Then I'm adding the argan oil, 1 tablespoon of the argan oil. Then I'm adding the rosemary oil, 1 tablespoon of the rosemary oil. This is my hair oil, so I'm just gonna add few drops of that. Then I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of my moringa oil. Then I'm just mixing them together. I'm actually going to leave this oil for it to completely melt. After melting, I'm going to add it in my fridge so that it will freeze back. And this is what I have after leaving it in the fridge. And I'm just going to start whipping, okay? I've never whipped anything in my life. In fact, this is my first time of handling a hand blender because I only cook or fry. I don't know how to bake anything, and I can't wait to see how this butter will turn out because right now I am really excited, okay? And I just have to tell you, I whipped this butter to perfection, and I whipped it for over 1 hour, at least 1 hour. I whipped this butter for 1 hour because I'm whipping this butter for the African hair, which is kind of like thick, and it makes it, if you use products that are kind of like thick, it will find it very difficult. The product will just be sitting on top of your hair. That's why I whipped this butter for a longer time, because I wanted it to be very, very light, and it turned out that way. And I actually went offline and I added other oils to it, like the mint oil, the ginger oil. Don't worry, all the oils I added to this, I'm going to leave them in the description box so that you can actually check them out. Like, this butter is turning out very nice, and I am loving it. Okay, once again, do not forget to subscribe, like this video, leave a comment, and also share this with your friend. Okay, just enjoy the whipping process. Yes, this is how it turned out after whipping it for like 1 hour. You could see how light that butter is. If you apply it to your hair, this is exactly what would happen. You will not find it sitting on top of your hair because it is very light. I whipped it to perfection. So I'm gonna take few of this, like I'm gonna take a portion of this butter, because I'll be sending product to a customer in Spain. So I'm just gonna gift her this butter. She just happened to order this butter when, like, her product when I was making this butter. So she's kind of like lucky, so she can use it on her skin and on her hair. It is winter in Spain, so she can use it anyhow she wants it, and I know she's gonna love it. Okay. Okay, so I must confess that YouTube is actually the best thing that has ever happened. So finally, I'm so happy that the way this butter actually turned out. I haven't used much of whipped cream, but I can tell you that this one is the best whipped cream I have ever seen, touched, or felt. You know, you can see this, like you already saw when I rubbed it on my skin. Could see how it is. It's just almost at the melting point. So if you apply this on your skin, it will definitely melt into your skin. And it's actually like best suitable for this winter and Harmattan season. That I'm in Harmattan season. If you are watching me, like Harmattan and winter season that most of us are currently experiencing in our various locations. So this particular one will be going to my customer in Spain. She actually bought some products for her, and it just happened to be around when I'm preparing this butter. So I'm actually going to gift her this particular one. For the remaining ones, I'll be traveling within the week, and I'll take some to my mom, I'll give some to my sister, and I'll also use some for my hair. Don't forget, you can also reach me on Instagram. Send me your private hair questions if you're having any issues with your hair, so that I can actually help you out within my own capacity. Yeah, okay, so this is where I'm going to be ending this video. Until another time when I will come your way, my name is Heidi Francis. Bye.